Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable and use the lockdown mode on your Mac. This feature is designed for users who may be at risk of targeted cyber attacks, providing extra protection for your device. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to click on the Apple menu located at the top left corner of the screen and then choose the System Settings option in the drop-down menu. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the Privacy and the Security option. After that, you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Lockdown Mode under the Security section. Then you have to click on the Turn On option next to the Lockdown Mode. Now a pop-up will appear explaining the feature and its restrictions. These include limited app functionality, blocked website content, disabled message attachments, and restricted FaceTime calls from unknown contacts. Then you have to click on Turn On and Restart option to activate the lockdown mode on your macOS device. Your Mac will now restart to apply these changes. Once enabled, the lockdown mode will significantly restrict features and block certain types of connections to reduce vulnerability on your Mac. You can use this mode only if you believe you are at risk of a targeted attack, so make sure to keep this important thing in your mind. Later, if you ever want to turn off the lockdown mode on your Mac, just return to the same Privacy and the Security section and then click on Turn Off option next to the lockdown mode. Then you have to restart your Mac to return to normal functionality, and there you have it. So that's how you can set up and use the lockdown mode on your Mac. Now that you know how this advanced feature works, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. Now I'll catch you up in the next one with more such handy macOS tips and tricks. Take care. Bye-bye.